Dear students, this is the last part of this chapter, application of common logarithm. That is chapter 5, and exercise is 5. Here today we have taken question number 12. Let us read the question. What will be the interest of rupees 1 lakh in 3 years at 8% compound interest? Okay, it is an easy question. What is given here? This is the principle. So let us apply directly the formula. We know formula case A equal to, we know that this is A for amount, P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. P as the principal, R is rate of interest, n is number of years. Okay. First of all, here our interest law. How we find compound interest? We know that compound interest can be say amount minus principal. So at first we have to find amount. Amount how we find? Using this formula. So let us substitute the values. P की मान से 1 lakh. 1 plus rate of interest की मान से 8%. 8% and given number of years 3 तरीके से. Okay, per person. আমি ইয়াত log use কৰিম, we will not cancel anything. Okay, 100 plus 8, 108 direct পাইছো. Okay, so yet we can easily cancel the actually without application of logarithm also we can do this sum easily. Okay, so এতিয়া a is equal to this. What we'll do, we'll take log on both the sides. Taking log on both sides, we get, okay, log of a is equal to log of, suppose it will directly get a 0, so 1 2 3 4 5, so this is 10 to the power 5 into this is 108 by 100 whole cube. Okay, ठीक है से तो क्या तो लोग ये तो जाना है because this is the last stage of this chapter as well as the exercise. So you like to log m plus log n arrota log m divided by n is equal to log m minus log of n. That is log of suppose m to the power k and k into log of m. Okay, so here into the plus of log into the plus of log 10 to the power 5 plus log of m into n log of 108 by 100 cube. Log of 10 to the power 5 plus যদি k to power থাকে এটো আগত আহিব, so 3 will come here, log of 108 by 100. Okay, তাৰপিছত এই 5 to আগত আহিব নহয় জানো, so this is 5 log of 10 plus 3. যদি ডিভাইড থাকে মাইনাস হয় লগত log 108 minus log 100. Okay, 5 log 10 will value 1 plus 3 into log of 108. Okay, it will all pass of the put kari log 100 মানে কি মান 10 square. Okay, so arota line add kori diu 5 into 5 plus 3 etu kiman hobo log 108 minus e 2 to agot ahibo 2 into log of 10. Okay, the remaining part yate kori lo ami etu kiman hobo dekha 5 ase plus 3 log table use ami ketia koribo lagibo 108 minus log 10 or value kiman 1, so 2 into 1 this is 2. এতিয়া আমি log table to log. Okay, ইয়াত দেখা ইমান পাৰ লিখিলো log 108 দেখা 108 how many digits are there 3, so characteristic chemical লিখো 3 minus 1 that is n minus 1 2. এতিয়া log table to log আমি তো এতিয়া দেখা 108 আছে তিনটা ডিজিটৰ কাৰণে characteristics 2 হৈছে. এতিয়া ফাৰ্স্ট 10 sum log 10 ৰ কোনটো হাউজত যাম 8 log 8 এটু হল 0334. ঠিক আছে, mean difference নাই আর ওটা ডিজিট নাই কারণ mean difference নাই minus 2. Okay, so 5 plus 3 into if we subtract what we'll get 0.0334. Okay, 5 plus it will into 3 4 is 12 is 9 10 6 is 9 10. Okay, it will 5.1002. এতিয়া ইমানখিনি তো হল 5.1002 এতিয়া এটো হল what is the value of it, this is the value of log of a ঠিক আছে log of a equal to ইমান তেতিয়া a can column therefore a equal to anti log of no anti log of how much 5.1002 তো এতিয়া আমি anti log table to লৈছো ফার্স্টত আমি 0.10 চাম 0.10 ফার্স্ট কোনটো চাম 0 চাম তাত আছে 1259 তাৰপিছত mean difference 2 আছে 1 এটো কিমান হৈ গ'ল 0611260 ওকে তাৰপিছত আমি এতিয়া ডেসিমেল টু পুট কৰিম নহয় তো কেইটা ঘৰ পাছত ডেসিমেল হ'ব ইয়াত এন্টিলগৰ ৰুলটো কি আছিল ইট উইল বি the place of decimal will be n plus 1 that is here n is equal to 5 plus 1 that is after 6 places from this set so 1 2 3 4 5 6 so amount is this much 1,26,000 now so compound interest to kind of column compound interest is amount minus principal amount minus principal so এটা direct subtract কৰো 1,26,000 আর 1 লাখ কিমান হ'ব ডাইরেক্ট কৰো rupees 26,000 okay like a sum to both easy as well isn't it my beloved students we are in question number 13 let us read the question at first find the area of the triangle having sides 45 cm 57 cm and 63 cm at first dear students we have to know how we will do this যদি কিবা triangle perpendicular বা height যদি আৰু base to দিয়া থাকে then we can directly use the area of the triangle is half into base into height but here if the three sides are given then how will it then কি করব Heron's formula use করব না Heron's formula দি কেন করব area of a triangle is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b s minus c ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে জানা চাগে এটো কি আছে মানে এটা triangle okay triangle abc suppose abc opposite side to a to b to c and abc at the three sides what is s is called the semi perimeter that's why s symbol is taken a plus b plus c divided by 2 এনেভাবে ইয়ার ফার্স্ট কি করি যদি আমি এই ফর্মুলাটা ইউজ করতে বিচাৰো we have to know the value of s can column that is semi perimeter a plus b plus c divided by 2 so let us start so here this is a this is b this is c so we have a equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2 কিমান হ'ব দেখো this is 45 57 63 divided by 2 let us add 45 57 63 165 okay 165 divided by 2 82.5 centimeter okay now by Heron's formula let us use this formula we know area of triangle let us take the symbol be a s minus b s minus c okay so let us subtract the values s কিমান আছে 82.5 okay into s is 82.5 a is 45 that is 45.0 मतलब যদি ডেসিমেল অলপ দিগদার হয় তাৰপাছত s minus b s is 82.5 minus b b is 57 that is okay let us say 57.0 into তাৰপিছত s minus c 82.5 minus কিমান আসলে c 63.0 okay ঠিক আছে এটা কি কৰিম ভ্যালুটা লিখো সাবট্রাক্ট করো এটা কিমান হ'ব 7 না 7 into 30 okay this is 0.5 into এটা সাবট্রাক্ট করো এটা 7 5 হয়ে যাব 25.5 okay তারপর এটা হয়ে যাব 19 right that's 19.5 okay is it okay okay this is done now what we will do we will take log on both the sides for this what we have to do we have to rub it little bit okay just students here we wrote the expression for a just now what we have got Okay, so এতে কি করব, এতে সিম্পলিফাই করব বাই দ্য হেল্প অফ লগ. সো হোয়াট উইল ডু, উইল টেক লগ অন বোথ দ্য সাইডস. ওকে, তো লিখো ডাইরেক্ট লগ এ, ইয়াৰ লগ ল'লোঁ হা, এইটো এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰোঁ নহয় জানো, 37.5 into 25.5 into 19.5 হোল টু দি পাৱাৰ হাফ হ'ব. জানা নাই তোমালোকে, ধৰা এইটো আছে স্কুৱেৰ ৰুট অফ ছাপ'জ 4, কেনেকৈ লিখোঁ 4 টু দি পাৱাৰ হাফ নহয় জানো, তেতিয়াহ'লে এইটো 2 হ'ব স্কুৱেৰ ৰুট অফ 9, 3 টু দি পাৱাৰ এইটো 9 হ'ব নহয়, 9 টু দি পাৱাৰ হাফ 3 হৈ যাব. ঠিক আছে, ছাপ'জ ৰুট 10 আছে, কেনেকৈ লিখিম 10 টু দি পাৱাৰ হাফ, নিশ্চয় উইল ৰাইট, সেইটো পাৱাৰটো হাফ হ'ব. এতিয়া ফৰ্মুলা জানো, তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমালোকে হেবিচুৱেটেড আছা, টু হাফটো আগত আহি যাব. চ' হাফ অফ লগ অফ অল অফ দিছ 82.5, 37.5, 25.5, 19.5. অ'কে, তাৰপিছত ইনটু থাকিলে কি হয়, প্লাছ হয়, এক্সেক্টলি হাফ লগ অফ এটা ব্ৰেকেট দি লওঁ 82.5 লগ অফ 37.5 log of 25.5 log of 19.5. Here চাৰিটা decimal আছিলে বা চাৰিটা product আছিল, so we have written 4 times log. Now what we have to do, we have to use the log table. Okay, তোমালোকে এটা log table লোৱা এতিয়া. Okay, dear students, we have taken the log table. তোমালোকে এটা log table এতে লোৱা, আৰু ইয়াত characteristic নহয়, দুটা decimal আগত দুটা digit আছে, so characteristic will be 2 minus 1 1. তাৰপিছত আমি লগ টেবুলটো লওঁ, 82 কিমান যাব লাগে 5th হাউচ, 82 5th হাউচ হ'বগৈ 9165 প্লাছ ইয়াত দুটা ডিজিট আছে, কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক ইজ 1, 37ৰ 0.5, 37ত যাওঁ 0.5, 37ৰ 5 আছে, 5000 5740. তাৰপিছত ইয়াতো কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক 2 minus 1 1 হ'ব, 25ত যাওঁ 25ৰ 5th হাউচ 4065. এটা দুটা ডিজিট আছে, কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক হ'ল 1, 19ত যাওঁ 19ৰ 5th হাউচ, 19ৰ 5th হাউচ হ'বগৈ 2900. চব ভেলু কেইটা বহালোঁ আমি, তো হাফ. এতিয়া তাৰ উপায় নেই, এইকেইটা এড কৰিম. অ'কে, 1.9165 4065 1.2900. Okay, let us add. So we have got, after addition, we have got 6.1870. Okay, so if we divide, how much we are getting, that is d divided by 2. Okay, kiman paam 3.0935. okay, iman paise. This is the expression for log of a. Amar ki ulaba lage, area ulaba lage na jinu. Therefore a is antilog of this. Okay, so let us find antilog. Log to antilog na jinu. 3.0935. correct. Okay, তাৰপিছত আমি এতিয়া antilog to লওঁ. okay, antilog কিমান চাম 0.09. okay, 0.09ৰ third house. first of 0.09ৰ third house চাম. 0.09ৰ third house to 1239. okay, 1239. তাৰপিছত এইটো নেক্সট আছে মেইন ডিফাৰেঞ্চ 5th যাব কৈছে, 5th যাম, এইটো 1 আছে, তো 1240. okay, 1240. okay, তাৰপিছত দেখা about the decimal. ইয়াত কিমান আছে, কেৰেক্টাৰিষ্টিক 3, তো decimal কিমান পজিশ্যন বহিব, অলৱেজ 3 + 1 n + 1 4 পজিশ্যন, that is 8 in a problem. 1 2 3 4, that is here, will not put. Let us about the unit. What will be the unit? Area is obviously centimeter square, therefore area of triangle is equal to 1240 centimeter square. Have you understood? Dear student, now we have taken question number 14. Let us read the question. The volume of a sphere is 72.81 cubic centimeters. Find its radius. Okay, we know that the volume of a sphere is given by 4/3 pi r cube, isn't it? It is 72.81 centimeter cube. Okay, so here let us put the value. What we have to find here? We have to find this r, radius will have lage. So r we have to find. So pi, yet according to me the value of pi should be given. We know that pi is irrational. ঠিক আছে, তো এটোৰ এক্সাক্ট ভ্যালু তো আমি নাজানো, আমি জেনাৰেলি সিম্পলিফিকেশনৰ কাৰণেই আমি পাইৰ ভ্যালু আইদাৰ 22/7 লওঁ ইয়া 3.14 লওঁ। এটা অনলি ফৰ সিম্পলিফিকেশন। দ্য ভ্যালু অফ পাই ইজ নাইদাৰ 22/7 nor it is 3.14. It is very close to the actual value of pi. Okay, এটো তোমালোকে জানাই। তো এই পাই একো দিয়া নাই, কিবা এটা ল'বই লাগিব। সাপোজ 22/7 লৈ লওঁ আমি। ওকে, আৰু সাপোজ r কিউব, দিস ইজ 72.81। ওকে, তো r কিউব কিমান হ'ব দেখা, 72.81, এই 3 লৈ যাওঁ এইপিনে, 7 লৈ যাওঁ। ওকে, দিস 4 let us bring here, this 22 let us bring here. সো আৰু এটা কৰিলোঁ, নহ'লে বহুত কেইটা মাল্টিপ্লিকেশ্যন হৈ যাব। ওকে, 3 7 যা 21 আৰু 88 ইমানখিনি কৰোঁ। ওকে, তাৰ পাছত এই r2 ল'ব লাগে। তো এইটো এইপিনে গ'লে কি এনেকুৱা হ'ব, কিউব ৰুট হৈ যাব। 72.81 ইনটু 21 ডিভাইডেড বাই 88 আছে, এনেকুৱা দিম নহয় জানো। তাত কিউব ৰুট এনেকুৱা, কিউবৰ পৰা এইপিনে সাপোজ এনেকুৱা আছে, সাপোজ x কিউব ইকুয়াল টু 8 আছে, তো কেনেকৈ লিখোঁ, x ইকুয়াল টু 8 to the power 1/3 কিউব ৰুট অফ 8। ওকে, সেম বস্তু। হিয়ার উই হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড r। কি কৰিম, উইল টেক লগ। তো টেকিং লগ অন বোথ সাইডস, taking log on both sides, we get log of r। ঠিক আছে, এইপিনে লগ লম, 72.81 21 88 আছে 1/3, কারেক্ট। তো তোমালোকে এটো তো জানাই, log m to the power k হলে কি আগত আহিব, log m, so 1/3 আগত আহিব। log of ইমান 72.81 into 21 divided by 88, কারেক্ট, ইমানখিনি আছে। আৰু তাৰ পিছত 1/3 ডিভাইড আছে, ডিভাইড থাকিলে সাবট্রাকশন হয়। 21 এইটো আমি ফার্স্ট ব্র্যাকেটত লিখো, এইটো সেকেন্ড ব্র্যাকেট লিখি দিওঁ, মাইনাস এইটো ডিভাইড আছে এখানে মাইনাস হ'ব, log of 88। ওকে, তাৰপিছত আমি অলপ ইয়াত ৰাফ কৰোঁ। ওকে ওকে ডিয়াৰ ষ্টুডেণ্ট, এইটো দেখা, এইটো লাষ্ট হৈছিলে লগ আৰৰ এক্সপ্ৰেশ্যন। তো এতিয়া আকৌ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ ইয়াৰ পৰা, লগ আৰ। ওকে, দিছ ইজ 1/3। এতিয়া ইয়াত ইনটু আছে, ইনটু থাকিলে এড হ'ব, log of 72.81 প্লাস log of ইনটু আছে তো প্লাস হ'ব, আৰু log of 21 মাইনাস কিমান আছে, log of 88। ওকে, log of 88, this is very simple sum now. Okay, we'll take the log table। তোমালোকে log table লোৱা, দেখা ইয়াত কিমান আছে, 72, that means দুটা ডিজিট, so 2 minus 1 characteristic will be 1। 72 লৈ যাওঁ, 72 ফাৰ্ষ্টত 8 চাম, 72 8 হ'বগে 8621। তাৰ পাছত মিন ডিফারেন্স 1 আছে, মিন ডিফারেন্স 1 to 1 হ'ব, তাৰ মানে 8622 কারেক্ট। তাৰপিছত ইয়াত 21 আছে অকলে, তো 21 দুটা ডিজিট আছে, তো ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক 2 minus 1 1। তো এতিয়া 21 ৰ 0 চাম, এতিয়া 21 মানে কি, log 21.0। তো 21 ৰ 0 টো চাম, 3222 মাইনাস 88 ৰ ইয়াত দুটা ডিজিট আছে, সরি দুটা ডিজিট হলে 1 হ'ব, 88 ৰ 0 হ'ব, 88 মানে log 88 মানে 88.0। তো 88 ত যাওঁ, 88 ৰ আমি 0 টো চাম। ওকে, it is 9445 কারেক্ট। ওকে, দেখা এতিয়া এই দুটা এড কৰোঁ, ফাৰ্ষ্টত ইয়াতে এড কৰি লওঁ 1.8622, তাৰপিছত 1.3222, এই দুটা এড কৰি লওঁ 44813। তো দিস ইজ 3.1844 মাইনাস 1.9445। ওকে, তাৰপিছত এই দুটা সাবট্ৰেক্ট কৰোঁ, 1.9445 1.2399 1.2399 ওকে তাৰপিছত এইটো আমি এতিয়া 3 দি ডিভাইড কৰিম নহয় 0.4133 ওকে তাৰপিছত ইয়াত এইটো হ'ল log r ৰ এক্সপ্ৰেছন সো হাউ উইল ফাইন্ড r r এনেকৈ ওলাম আমি এই লগটো ইপিনে দ্যাট ইজ antilog of 0.4133 for this what we have to do we have to take the antilog table isn't it dear student now we have taken the antilog table so 0.41 no 0.41 ত যাও 41 ৰ ফাৰ্ষ্টত কিমান আছে 3 3 ত কিমান আছে 2588 all right তাৰপিছত আকৌ 3 আছে mean difference 3 ত যাও 2 আছে so এটো কিমান হবে এড কৰিলে 2590 তো এটো 2590 okay tarpeshat about the decimal here to 0 as a characteristic so how many places after how many places we will put the decimal here 0 plus 1 that is 1 place it unit hobo lagbe na volume is in cubic centimeter so radius should be obviously centimeter therefore kanaka likhim radius of sphere is equal to 2.59 centimeter. Now dear students we are in question number 15 okay let us read the question solve with the help of logarithm we have to solve this there are 5 questions let us solve the first one here it is what is given 10 to the power x equal to 893 what we do let us take log on both the sides log of 10 to the power x log of 893 so x to agot ahibo log of 10 yet কেটা ডিজিট আছে there are 3 digits so characteristic will be 3 minus 1 2 তো আমি এতে 89 or কিমান সাম 89 or চাব লাগিব এই 3 to চাব লাগিব 89 or 3 এটো হৈ গল 9509 okay তো x into log 10 or value কিমান আমি জানো 1 2.9509 so x into 1 is x 2.9509 you see the sum is so easy solve korilo ami x or value kiman olale 9509 olale is it okay now we have taken the second question here again the thing is same what we will do we will take log on both the sides taking log on both the sides log of 18 into 3 to the power x log of 2 to the power twice x তো ইয়াত দেখা প্লাস আছে প্লাস থাকলে কি হবো ইনটু হবো log of 2 to the power twice x okay অলপ পাছত এটো ভ্যালু পুট কৰিম অলৰাইট এটো x to আগত আহিব তোমালোকে তো জানাই আমি বহুত ইউজ কৰিছো log of m to the power k equal to k into log of m so x to আগত আহিব log of 3 twice x to আগত আহিব log of 2 correct okay so etia ami value keta put koru 18 log 18 characteristic to 1 hobo 2 minus 1 1 okay 18 or 0 hoge 2553 x into 0 point log 3 er value 4771 twice x log 2 er value to hoye jabo 0.3010 okay eto epine loi jao 1.2553 is equal to ঠিক আছে ইয়াত এটো কিমান হবে 0206 okay 0 আছে ইমান x minus এটো epine লই যাও 0.4771x এটো প্লাস আছে epine গলে মাইনাস হৈ যাব so 1.2553 let us subtract 0 point কিমান আছে 6020 0.4771 তো এটো হৈ গল 0.1249x তো এপিনে আনি দিয়া এটো 1.2553 এটো x লগত ইনটু আছে এপিনে আনিলে কিমান কি হ'ব ডিভাইড হ'ব রাইট 0.1249 okay x तो x or value की हो কেন কলম ঠিক আছে দেখা after decimal there are 4 places after decimal 4 places let us remove the decimal same আছে না decimal place কেটা 15531249 so let us divide it So x equal to, let us divide here. There we have divided and we have got 10.048. So approximately let us take 10.05. So hence the value of x in the second question is 10.05. Okay, now let us move to the third one. Now my dear students, we have taken number 3. Let us solve it. At first let us write the question. It is also a simple, so it will have a simple solution. You will see 7 to the power 3x plus 1, 2 to the power twice x plus 6. Okay, let us start. Okay, dear students, we know that is, if it is in this form, how we get this? If a to the power m into a to the power n equal to the, if a to the power m into a to the power n, then we get this. So if it is in this form, we can split in this way. Okay, a to the power m into a to the power n. So it is 7 to the power 3x into 7 square. Okay, similarly this is 4 to the power x into 4 square. This is 7 to the power 3x into 7 to the power 1, and this will be, how will write, 2 to the power twice x into 2 to the power 6. Got it? Okay. Now here this 7 square is how much? 49. 49 into 7 to the power 3x. Now again this 4 square is 16, correct? Now this 4 can be written as 2 square, because you see these are like terms. It will be 4 to the power x can be written as in terms of 2, because 2 is there. Okay, so 4 can be written as 2 square and whole to the power x written. This is 7 into 7 to the power 3x, 2 to the power 6. If we multiply 2 6 times, we will get 64 into 2 to the power twice x, right? Right. Okay, so this is 49 into 7 to the power 3x, 16 into 2 to the power twice x, 7 into 7 to the power 3x, 64 into 2 to the power twice x. What we'll do, we shall write the similar terms together. That is, term containing 7 to the power 3x we shall bring together, and the term containing 2 to the power 2x we will bring on the other side. 49 7 to the power 3x, and this will, let us bring, it is plus, no, in this side it will be minus 7 into 7 to the power 3x. This is 64 into 2 to the power twice x. This is plus 16. On the other side it will be minus 16 into 2 to the power twice x. Got it? Now this is like term, so this minus this will be 42. Okay, and now we can, if you cannot understand directly, let us take 7 to the power 3x common. So what will be left? 49 minus 7. From these two, what is common? 2 to the power twice x. Actually like term 64 minus 16 directly we can do. 2 to the power twice x is taken common, so what will be left? 64 minus 16. So here 7 to the power 3x into 49 minus 7, it is very easy for us, 42, 2 to the power twice x. How much it is? 6 minus 2 is 48, isn't it? Okay. Now we want to simplify this further. Can we? Yes, we can. This can be, if we divide both the side by 6, what will get? 7 to the power 3x. If we divide this by 6, 7 is left. 2 to the power twice x into, here you see, dear students, here we have divided this left hand side by 6, so in that side also we have to do. 48 divided by 6 is 8, so this is 7 to the power 3x plus 1, its power is 1, 2 to the power twice x into 8 can be written as 2 cubed. Okay, so 7 to the power 3x plus 1, 2 to the power, this is in this form, isn't it? So we'll write it into a to the power equal to a to the power m plus n. So a to the power 2 to the power twice x plus 3. Okay, now we'll rub little bit, and what we'll do, we'll take log on both the sides. Now dear students, the last line we have written here, what we'll do, we'll take log on both the sides. Okay, so log of 7 to the power 3x plus 1, here also in this side also we'll take log of 2 to the power twice x plus 3. Now dear students, you know that log of m to the power k equal to k into log of m. So what we'll do, this 3x plus 1, if we bring it here, okay, so this into log of 7. then twice x plus 3, let us bring it ahead, twice x plus 3 log of 7. Now there is no other way, sorry, here we have to put log 2, by mistake I wrote log 7. Okay, now there is no other way, we have to substitute the values of log 7. So what we will do, this is 3x plus 7, there is single digit, one digit, so characteristics is 1 minus 1 0, so directly we will go to 70, isn't it? So in 70 it is log 70, it is 0 we have put here, so log of 7 equal to 0.8451, then twice x plus 3 log of 2 0. As there is single digit, so characteristics will be 1 minus 1 0, then log 2, that means we'll move to 20, it is 3010. So let us multiply this into this. So let us multiply with 3, 3 1 is 3, 15, 0.8451, 0.6020 plus, sorry, x is also there, plus this is 0.9030. Okay, now term containing x will bring in the left hand side, that is these are the two terms should be in the left hand side. Okay, 2 point, I think you are understanding the thing, minus 0.6020x, then this term, that is term without containing x, will be on the right side, that is 0.9030 minus this will be, it is 0.8451. okay, so let us subtract this to 2.5353, and this is 0.6020, so this is 1.933x, then this is 0.9030, 0.8451. if we subtract, it is 9, 0.0579. okay, so x will be 0.0579, 1.9333. okay, now you see, dear students, how will simplify further? Here after decimal there are 4 digits, after decimal also there are 4 digits, that is we assume that let us multiply both numerator and denominator by 10,000. That means 4 after decimal, the decimal parts will be removed, directly we can do 0573. now the decimal, the number will not start with 0, so we shall write 579, then 19333. okay, now what we do, let us rub it a little bit and let us divide it there. okay, so dear students, there you can see that we have divided. After division we are getting, it is 0.02. then again, if I have not done whole, so approximately we can write that value be approximately it is 0.03. okay, thus we have solved it, therefore x equal to 0.03. okay, now let us move to the number 4. Now we have taken number 4. This is very easy question you will find. At first let us write the question here, x square minus, we are copying the question. okay, so here you see what is given, x square, log of x square minus 3x. okay, now dear students, we know that log of a to the base is 1. so as it is 1, we can write here in the natural logarithm or in common logarithm, it is log 10 is 1, because we take the base is always 10, isn't it? so it is base is always 10, so log 10 is equal to 1. so in place of 1, directly we are writing log. What we do, let us remove log from both the sides. so what we get, x square minus 3x, in this side what will be left, 10. Next step, this 10 we should bring in this side, on the left hand side, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. x square minus, okay, how will solve? This is just a quadratic equation. Now let us solve by, suppose middle term splitting. so 1 into 10, 10, we multiply a and c, 2 5 10. okay, do you know the thing? One thing you may not know, because I am not teaching you from the basic thing. If there is minus, always you write in the middle this minus x. If this is plus, always you write plus. This is a simple thing, simple trick. okay, we have to get 3. how we get 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2 is 3. This minus 10 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x minus plus twice x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now, from here, what is common in the first pair? X is common. X minus 5 to x minus 5. Okay. So, x minus 5 is common from these two. What will be left? X plus 2 is equal to 0. So, either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, final solution, how will write? There are the two roots. The roots are 5 and minus 2. Okay, dear students, let us start question number 5. Let us copy the question. It is 6 to the power 3 minus 4x into 4 to the power x plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay, what we do? At first, let us take the log on both the sides. So, if we take log on both sides, what will get? Log of 6 to the power 3 minus 4x into 4 to the power x plus 5 log of 8. Now m into n, we have to separate, we can separate them. Log 6 to the power 3 minus 4x plus log of 4 to the power x plus 5 log of 8. At the end we'll put the values. Okay, now this is the power we can bring ahead. 3 minus 4x log of 6. This power we are using actually this formula, log of m to the power k. It is k into log of m. So this is x plus 5 log of 4 is equal to log of 8. What we do? Let us take the log table and we substitute the values. Okay, we have taken the log table. Now characteristics will be, there is single digit, so characteristic will be 1 minus 1 0. Let us move to 60. Okay, so for 60 in 0th house it is 7782 plus this is x plus 5 into 0 point. Let us move to 40. It is 6021 then 0.8. Let us move to 80. It is 9031. Okay, now let us multiply this. Okay, minus this are multiplied, then 4x into this x. All right, then this into this, it is 0.6021 x plus 5 into this. Let us multiply 5 is equal to 0.9031. Okay, so what we do? Let us bring all the term containing x on the other side, because this is minus. No, let us take on the other side, and this term without x on this side. 2.3346, this term is written, and this term plus 3.0105 minus this term 9031 and this term. Okay, this is the term containing x. Let us take on the other side. 3.1128x, then this term, it is plus, on the other side it will be minus 0.6021x. Okay, now what we do? Let us add these two terms. 2.3346 okay, this is 115435. So this is 5.34, then minus 0.9031. Then let us subtract these two. 3.1128 minus 0.6021 701. This is 52. So this is 2.5107. Okay, then what we do, let us subtract these two. There is no space, so we have to do here 5.3451 0 point, this is 9031, 9031, correct. Okay, let us subtract 0.2444 4.4420. Okay, there is x I could not write, equal to 2.5107x. So we are going to find the value of x. Let us bring this x here. 4.4420 divided by, it is into, in this side it will be divided, 2.5107 is equal to x. Okay, so dear student, you see after decimal there are 4 digits. Let us remove 4 decimal, 4 decimal. It is 44420, then 25107. Let us rub it there and let us divide it. Okay, dear student, you can see that we have divided there. It is 1.769, this is 1.769. in approx, how can you write? We are question was solved, that is to find the value of x. So x can be written as 1.77. This is the answer. Okay, now dear students, we are in the last question. Question number is 16. Show that this is greater than 100. Okay, this is very simple sum. Okay, so what we do here, you cannot take that this is equal to this, we cannot take like that. Okay, because we have to show that this is greater than this, that is directly we cannot take log. At first what we'll do, we'll assume that this be something, let this be x 21 by 10 whole to the power 100. What we do, let us take log on both the sides. You can write taking log on both the sides, log of x log of 21 by 10 whole to the power 100, log of x. This is, we can bring it ahead of log of 21 by 10. Okay, log of x 100 is, as this is the case of division. In division what we do, log of 21 we have to subtract log of 21 minus log of 10. Okay, now log of x is 100. Now please take the log table, we will substitute the values. Now dear students, we will substitute the values here. At first we have to write the characteristic, as there are 2 digits, so characteristic will 2 minus 1 1. Now how will see log 21.0. In this way we can assume that is 21 will move to 21 and the 0th house it is 1.3222, and log 10 everybody knows that it is 1. Okay, no need to see the table. Log of x 100 into, if we subtract, we'll get 0.3222. all right, okay, this is fine. Okay, if we multiply by 100, this decimal will be shifted here, is not it? So we'll get 32.22. got it? Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this by 100, so decimal will be shifted here. So how will do, log of x is equal to this 32.22, correct. Now you see, from here how will find x, we have to take log on this side, so that is called antilog of 32.22. dear students, can you imagine about this number? Okay, so after how many places we have to put the decimal? 32 plus 1, that is after 33 places. Okay, so we will get a number, okay, where there are 33 digits. So that 33 digit a number, it is a very big number, so that is always greater than 100. Okay, so which is a number consisting of 33 digits, and this is obviously greater than 100. Okay, this is only, this 100 is consist of only 3 digit, and this is a number consisting of 33 digit. Can you imagine? Okay, but dear student, in some books, what I have seen, in some books I have seen that in Google, actually not in books, this number is not 10, this number is 20. In that case, how will do? 21 by 20, we have to show this is greater than 100. In that case, what we will do? Let this be x, 21 by 20 whole to the power 100. Okay, so what we'll do, let us take log on both the sides. Log of 21 by 20, 100, log of x 100, then log of 21 by 20, correct? Then what we do, log of x 100, if there is division we subtract log x 100, 21, we have just seen 1.3222, and this is 1, log 2 3010, isn't it? Log of x equal to 100 into, if we subtract, it is 0. This is 2, this is 1, 2, 0. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, so here log of x will be 2.12. Decimal, if we are multiplying by 100, then what will happen? This decimal will be shifted here. So 2.12. How will find x? X is antilog of 2.12. So x is correct. For this, what we have to do? We have to take the antilog table and we will go for 0.12. Okay, we have taken the antilog table and it is 1318. Okay, so the decimal we have to put up after how many places? It is 2 plus 1, 3 places. Okay, now you see the value of this is 131.8, which is all obviously greater than 100. Okay, so what is the conclusion? This means it is, actually we have taken this 21 by 20, this is 100, so this is greater than 100, thus we can solve. All right.